Namaskar. Today we have to going to study about 10 Maths Part 2, Class 10, topic similarity. Today we going to study about the application of angle of bisector of theorem. For this purpose, first we have to understand how to apply the property of angle of bisector theorem. Now in this theorem, in this triangle, here triangle ABC is a triangle and segment BD is the angle bisector of angle B. So we have to apply this theorem in this triangle. In triangle ABC, by applying the angle bisector theorem, theorem in this triangle. So we have to take first side AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DC. So if you take first side AB, then BC, that's why we have to take this side first, AD upon DC. In this way we can use the bisector theorem. Now we can understand to take one example related on that angle bisector theorem. In this example, in triangle PQR, segment RS is the bisector angle of angle R, and PR is given. PR is equal to 15, RQ is equal to 20, PS is equal to 12. Then we have to find out the segment SQ by applying the angle bisector theorem in this triangle. So solution, in triangle PQR we can apply the angle bisector theorem. First you have to take the side or segment PR upon RQ is equal to PS upon SQ. You can mention the angle of bisector theorem in bracket. Now we have to put the values of PR is equal to 15 is given, upon RQ is equal to 20, PS is equal to 12, and SQ you have to find out by taking cross multiplication of this ratio. So we can write 15 into SQ is equal to 20 into 12. To calculate the value of SQ is equal to 20 into 12 upon 15. By cut this, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 3 1s are 3 4s are. Therefore SQ is equal to 4 into 4, 16 unit. So this is the final value of SQ by using the application of angle bisector theorem. One more example, we can find out the value of QP in this figure. So in triangle MNP, NQ is the angle bisector of angle N. By using such a theorem in this triangle, we have to write the solution. In triangle MNP, by using the angle bisector theorem, first you have to take the side MN upon NP is equal to, afterwards you have to take MQ upon QP. You have to mention the theorem angle bisector theorem in bracket. Okay, then Mn is equal to 25 upon Np is given 40 is equal to Mq is equal to 40 upon Qp. You have to calculate by taking cross multiplication of this. 25 into Qp is equal to 40 into 14. Then Qp is equal to 40 into 14 upon 25. To cut this, 5 5 is 25, 5 8 is 40. Therefore Qp is equal to 14 8 is 32, 3 carry, and 8 plus 3 112 upon 5. By cut this, 5 2 is 10, 1 carry, 5 2 is again 10, 2 remain, 5 4 is 20. Therefore Qp is equal to 22.4. This is the final answer.